MeghalayaPost.news.
You hereby pledge that I will not consume any harmful or intoxicating substance in any form or for any purpose, and I will also encourage
Ka University of Science and Technology Meghalaya Ustm kala Ïashimbynta lang lengba ka online bat ki school college bat ki school ba bapher na kalengkari India ban saki yak jing pelat pat ba yak Nasha Mukt Yuva Viksit Bharat Sankalp Abhiyan kabalapan long daw menteri rang ba du kari India u Narendra Modi ha New Delhi yak ni ka program ha Ustm lapan long ha ka Central Auditorium jong ka school ba Hariboy District ha ka balai don lang nadu Chancellor ka Ustm Mahabubul Hong Vice Chancellor Professor Dr. G.D. Sharma Additional Deputy Commissioner Kariboy Nippon Hajong MCS ki officer KNIC rungkat kino hikai ki samla puli bat KNSS volunteer kajing temu jong kani ke program kalong ban pensengutu ki samla halo ki jingma jong kajing penon kami ki jingdi penbuan bat ban penklannya katong bantai kari India kabalan na ki jingdi penbuan Menteri rang badu Narendra Modi ha kajing kran jongu ulakentu ki samla ban syemi ke benta ke bakraw ha kajing te ke Nasha Mukt Bharat da ka baong bagi samla ki bakot bakya ki badan ka jingkit kli bat ki balapan klan ki long ki bakong san ban poi si katong jong ka Viksit Bharat ulakan turu ki jaka puli ki kisam bat ke imlang ka salang ban netrelang ban ikhun persya ya ka jing penon kam ya ki jing di penbuan ucan selo lapan pau ya ka jing IT jong ka USTM ban netrelang bat ki sien jam jong ka sarkar India bat ka sarkar Meghalaya ki bayade bat ka bha kamiat jong ka imlang ka salang bat ka jing te ya kari UADC kari boy ulakan turu ban long kinong pensungut pat ba bat kinong lam tien jong ka Nasha Mukt Bharat Abhiyan hakisnong bat kitan jongki hakabakun kino Ïashimbynta kila Ïashim ya kajing kular banyada na kajing penun kam ya kajing di penbuat bat ban Ïashimbynta lang bantai kari India kabakot bakya kabaklan bat kabakiyo saprang
you hereby pledge that I will not consume any harmful or intoxicating substance in any form or for any purpose, and I will also encourage.
साथियों, एक आवाहन मैं कॉलेज और यूनिवर्सिटीज के हमारे प्रोफेसर साथियों से भी करना चाहता हूं। आप भी कोर्स की पढ़ाई के साथ साथ स्टूडेंट्स के साथ ड्रग्स के खतरों पर बात करें। नशे के खिलाफ अपने कैंपस में एक मूवमेंट चलाएं। आपके प्रयास बड़े बड़े परिणाम ला सकते हैं। और साथियों, हमें एक और बात ध्यान रखनी है। जो युवा नशे से लड़कर बाहर निकलते हैं, वे कमजोर नहीं होते। जो नशे को परास्त करके निकला है ना, वो असली योद्धा होता है। समाज को उनका सम्मान करना चाहिए, अपनापन देना चाहिए, उसे दूसरा अवसर देना चाहिए, क्योंकि ड्रग्स से जुड़ा किसी का अतीत उसकी पहचान नहीं हो सकता। उसका साहस उसकी पहचान होता है।
Nasha Mukt Bharat Abhiyan is special dedication to the youth on this day, where the Honorable Prime Minister himself has chosen to interact with not less than 10,000 centers across lakhs of students in the country. We are proudly privileged. Once again, I am delighted to be part of this program, and it just takes me back to my earlier days. As a student, pursuing not only the academic subjects but dreams in universities, we are often caught with thoughts and thresholds of our mind between the right and the wrong, between something which is ideal and something pragmatic. This often gives the questions, if not to all, but some of the concerned minds. Dear friends, today as we interact with the learned minds and the leader of the country, the Honorable Prime Minister, I am confident you will have the best of the takeaways from these interactions. This is the best of the time. This is also the worst of the time. The youth is the prime of our life, the most precious gift of the life, and the most energetic, the most confused at times. This is where the vision of Prime Ministers become central to our nation building process. Without the youth, we cannot think of having Viksit Bharat by 2047. The power, the abilities, the vision, the dreams is within you to unfold. Once again, with this, the ideal that the Prime Minister has opined for all of us. From the administration, we can only enforce the laws, we can only enforce certain directions, but it is the individual, it is me, it is you, what we actually take to our life.
So from this program today, we have learned the ill effects of substance abuse. So we as students, I think especially in this generation, it is very important for us to pledge against such practice. So this is the kind of inspiration that we have gotten from this program today. Thank you so much. We are grateful to Honorable Prime Minister Sir for giving us an opportunity to voice out our opinions, and also for choosing USCM amongst the Northeastern University for this wonderful program. We are really grateful to the Prime Minister and also to the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports Government of India. Thank you so much.
Really privileged that the Prime Minister Modi gave us the opportunity to represent the voice of India's youth. And what we learned today is how to say no to abuse substance, to drug addictive substance, and stay away from those substances and keep our family and the young generation safe from those things. Thank you. Yes, I want to give the message to the youth that only addiction is not a sort of substance by chemicals. It is a sort of digital well-being too. Don't get too much addicted to the screen as well as online betting and adult filming. Stay away from this and keep yourself and your family friends healthy too. Thank you.
MeghalayaPost.news